Hi, Javier again here with another video from South Dade Toyota service, and today's topic is on brakes and what you can look for to know when you need the brakes replaced. It's a free inspection here at South Dade Toyota. If you go online and do an appointment or call the phone number on the website, we'll be more than happy to look at the brakes for you. Once you've come in to do the inspection on the brakes, we're going to judge the brake pads based off a scale model that we have here. You have green, yellow, and red. If we check the brakes and they're green, just like a traffic light, it's good to go. There's no further action required. The brakes are safe and there's no further action. Once they're in the yellow zone, this is something where you got to start thinking of doing the brake pads, and it may need the brake pads as soon as the next service. If we're in red, it's just like a stoplight. You stop. We no longer want to continue to drive the vehicle with these brakes in the red zone. According to the Department of Transportation, these brakes are no longer safe and need to be replaced. Very important that you get those inspected. But while you're on the road, there are some things you can look for to know if you need the brakes. Simple as noises, squealing noises, or some grinding type noise that you can hear when the brakes are applied. Sometimes you can hear it even when the brakes are not applied and think it's something else. Another thing is vibration felt on the steering, some kind of like shimmy when the brakes are applied, or even a pulsation on the pedal. That's a good indication that the rotors that the brakes squeeze against to stop the car, that they're warped or out of round, and it's time to do the brakes at that time as well. The only way you're going to know for sure is to bring it in and have it inspected. And again, here at South Dade Toyota, we do a free inspection on the brakes, so there's really no reason to hold back on that. Again, go online, southdadetoyota.com, and you can call the phone number on there as well. Set up a free schedule, an appointment to do a free inspection on those brakes.